Day one of the dee-warner murder trial is in the books. I'm Melissa Andrews. I'm an investigative and crime reporter. This is Troy. He's working on web stuff for us during this trial. So a lot happened today. There was some business to get finished before jury selection started. The prosecution offered dee-warner a last-minute plea deal for second-degree murder and tampering with evidence. They said that they did this after conversation with dee-warner's children. He immediately declined that deal. The next order of business was talking about witness sequestration. So that means that during the course of this trial, they don't want any witnesses to see testimony of other witnesses that would influence their testimony. So dee-warner's brother, Greg Hardy, and her nephew, Parker Hardy, were in the courtroom this morning. However, they are listed as 2 of the 68 potential witnesses during this trial. So it was decided that they had to leave and they could not stay for jury selection or any portion of the trial before their testimony. And that would be the case for anyone who is on the witness list. So after that, we got started with jury selection. We counted about 50 people that were initially brought in this first group. We got through 28 of them today, and here's how it shook out. And they were also questioned one by one, which was more tedious, but that's what was requested by both the defense and the prosecution. 17 men, 11 women, 16 of the 28 were dismissed for cause. 10 of those 16 because they said they had already formed an opinion that dee-warner was guilty and they didn't feel that they could be impartial on that decision. 3 people said that they thought they were in or were in the Justice for Dee Facebook group. This is a Facebook group that was formed when Dee was missing, and it very heavily, obviously the purpose was to find Dee, and then it took on more life when Dale was charged and then when Dee's body was found. So the defense said this was an issue for these people who were in this group because it's an advocacy group, it's an anti-dee-warner group, so they wanted these potential jurors dismissed. The prosecution disagreed and said, well, there is no rule right now that we can dismiss or should dismiss potential jurors who are in this Justice for Dee Facebook group. The defense said, well, there should be a rule. It's a still active page. There was a previous post about a stealth juror basically asking people to go in for jury selection and say that they were unbiased just to get a seat on the jury. And then the defense also said that there were even posts in the page today from the courtroom. So she said it was very active and these people should not be considered because of the discussion that's been going on in there for years. And it was really interesting because as these people were coming in, the defense was checking their names to see if they were in that Facebook group. So that was interesting. The judge said he was going to give this issue some more thought and render a decision on that late today. That did not happen. So day 1 is wrapped up. Jury selection starts Wednesday at 10:30.